Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about is prototype in the object. So now what we're gonna do is create function object one, and after that, I'm gonna pass that, and now create another function object 1, I mean 2. This is the another function, empty function for more accurate. Now what we're gonna do is object 1 dot prototype type equals object, and create the another way to create an prototype object. So object to type. When you do that, after that, there is still more. Use the const, and the another way to create object. So object play equals new object 1. So when we pass that, and now start logging on a console. So object 1 dot prototype dot is prototype of, and pass object 3, and it would be object 1. So is that prototype of object 1? 3 is true. Is that object 3 is prototype of object 2? It's true. But if we go and do like object 1, is that false? Because it's not, because the object 3 is created from object 1 and object 1 is created from object 2. But if we check that, even though they are same, but it's not. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.